over Istanbul, a gentle breeze whispers secrets through the ancient trees. Footsteps echo on the cobblestone street, a soulful rhythm, bittersweet. Bana alambe, let my spirit soar like a bird above the shore. Breathe again, feel the open sky underneath the Turkish sky. Reflections in the hammam steam, a quiet moment, a waking dream, then a soft call, a distant plea for peace and clarity.